This video will be showing you a fix if you have received a Chime error, which is naming your SSN. If you have made typos or entered an incorrect SSN, you must contact the Chime member services directly to correct the information in your system. The easiest way to reach them is through the Chime app's chat feature or by calling them using their official number. So if you do not have an SSN, you may receive an error message that Chime is unable to open your Chime deposit account. Chime requires a valid SSN for verification. Without one, you unfortunately cannot open a standard Chime account. So if Chime detected unusual activity or couldn't verify your identity completely, they might place a hold or request further verification documents. You will need to contact Chime support and they will likely ask you to securely send photos of your ID and a selfie and confirm your personal details. And that's how you can fix if your Chime SSN has received a needed error, and thank you for listening.